Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Hey, today we're checking out the Odyssey Bronze White Knight from BOLDR Watch Company. And I want to thank BOLDR for sending this out to me. It's absolutely gorgeous watch. Please check out BOLDR's website in the link below. They're an awesome company, great to deal with. I can promise you that here from Watches Galore. Also, this is going on a tour. It's gonna be going all over America and hitting Canada, so check out the links below. I'm gonna leave those channels in the description below. So this is the White Knight, the latest addition to the Odyssey lineup from BOLDR, and it is so cool. You can also check this out on my Instagram page. I got a nice shot up there of this watch. Absolutely beautiful, made from marine grade bronze. And this is going to develop, they're saying this is going to develop some really unique patina. You know, the longer you wear it, get it in the elements, it's going to look better and better and better. It's running that S2 NH35 automatic movement, and it does have a double dome sapphire crystal with inner AR reflective coating. So very, very nice job there. The dial and the hands, oh man, I'm going to pull a close up here. It does have a textured dial, and this is one of the things. Let me get, oh yeah. It's like when you get in the sunlight, it's like a metallic, it glistens. I mean, it is just so cool. And you can see that texturing on there right now. Applied indices and polished hands, and it has old Swiss Radium Lume. We're going to get to that shot in a minute. You can see the BOLDR logo and BOLDR right below the 12 o'clock position. Helium escape valve there on written on the inner chapter ring there, with triple lock crown protection on the bottom side of that. Very nice. I love to see that. Odyssey automatic, 300 meters water resistant above the 6 o'clock position. Nice date window at the 6 o'clock position, I might add. And I just love these hands, the handsets they put on this Odyssey lineup. Very, very nice. This does have a ceramic 120 click rotating bezel. I love this white bezel. It just looks so good. And everything lines up excellent with no play. Let me throw a lume shot up for you there. Really nice, soft lume, but also kind of like bright and brilliant at the same time, if that makes sense. It's just really nice. I like it a lot. BOLDR, screw down case back with their custom artwork. You know, they're known for that. Have some specks around the outer edge there of the crown or of the case back. I love their artwork. It's just such a cool addition to BOLDR. Every BOLDR watch, by the way, does have an embossed BOLDR logo on that crown, and it does have that triple crown protection. I don't know if, yeah, you could see that in there a little bit. You could see those O-rings in there, sealing that up nice and tight for some deep water activity. Also, that helium escape valve at the side at 9 o'clock position. Really, really nice case. You know, BOLDR's big, bold, cut edges, beveled edges, just nice, industrial looking. Always like their design, that's for sure. I did say it is 300 meters water resistant, or let me say 500 meters water resistant. I'm sorry about that. Would be 1,650 feet, so good for anything you got to throw at it. Hey, let's get to these specs. This watch does have a 45.5 millimeter bronze case, 16 millimeter thickness, 52 millimeter lug to lug, and a 22 millimeter band width. Now, before I go any farther, I would like to share with you, this does have a custom Italian leather strap with accompanying bronze hardware. Got the BOLDR logo at the end of the buckle there. I love that combo. It's just, it definitely accommodates the case, everything just flows together. The color of this leather strap, super comfortable on the wrist. You got BOLDR stamped in there underneath there, and it is just a gorgeous strap. You know, Horween straps are awesome. Love this color combo. I love this watch. I mean, it's just a great watch overall. Let's get this on my wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, here it is on my 7¼ inch wrist. Very, very good looking watch. Like I said, I love the hardware. I love the great stitching of the strap, and it just looks great with that bronze case and creamy white dial. I absolutely love it. For $699, I think you cannot go wrong with this guy. It's just, it's a killer watch. I love it. I absolutely love it. Hey, that's my short look at the BOLDR Bronze Odyssey. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate it. There is more content coming, I promise. Hope you guys are having a great day and stay well.